Good morning! Still morning? Yes, it's still 11 o'clock. Actually, I woke up 1 hour ago. Kaya lang, still can't decide kung anong gagawin kasi the house is a mess. Then I realized I wanted to eat brunch at least. Kaso, I don't know kung wala na kaming gas or I just don't know how to open. So I'm waiting for Habi to answer my PM. Nauna akong bumalik because I have to resume duty already. Tagal ko na nakabasyo. 3 months. So I don't know if I still know how to work. We will see later. And my lunch for today is... Yan. It's coffee lang at saka yung cheesecake, lemon square, dala ko sa Philippines. I don't wanna eat fast food or order kasi ang dami naming food. Baka masira. Okay. So, see you in a bit. Anyway, I'm blogging through my laptop/tablet because my phone was busted and nasira siya when I went home kasi nagpanic kasi si Mia's crying too much. Anyhow, I will try to edit all of those videos, Philippines, because it's our remembrance, it's our diary log, or our video log. So, I'll see you in a bit. Bye-bye. Later.
Hi, finally, nakaluto na ako. I just don't know how to open lang yung gas. This is my lunch for today. It's embutido, fresh from the Philippines. And also, yan din yung baon ko later. Yan. Yan lang yung baon ko with sandwich. Don't have to eat much. Okay, kain tayo. For food lang. Yung box na for food namin. Some of it yung mga pasalubong ko sa mga ka-office mate ko. Little sweets lang. Sweet, chocolate, yung mga inipit. Just small snacks lang. Okay, so see you in a bit.
Good morning. Hello, everybody. Isang tulog na lang. Darating na si Happy. Anyhow, this vlog is a combination of my day before yesterday vlog and yesterday. Kasi para lang naman yung ginawa ko. I went to work, evening shift. I slept a little bit. And sa tanghala, I woke up, eat the same lunch, embutido. Yummy from the Philippines. I wanted to say na whatever you're going through, just continue to trust God because He's the only one who knows what's best for us. Kahit sa tingin mo, it's the end of the rope, no. Habaan niya pa yung rope na yon. Just like what He did for my friend. And we thank Him na He's out of danger na. He's back home. And I know the healing process, it would take time because God wants to show us something. So just keep the faith. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. God bless.